I gotta say, for us to be in December and it look this nice outside, wow, absolutely amazing. Anywho, welcome back to another vehicle video today. I don't even know what's going on right now. Oh my god. But no, welcome back to another one. You know who it is. Listen, today we are in a beautiful 2024 Honda Civic Hatch touring in they call it Boost Blue. That's a nice name for that kind of color. I do like that. We're gonna go ahead and go over the vehicle nice and quick. Pause, nothing too long. Pause again. Oh my goodness, dude. Well, this video screen, for some reason, like the other cars, it's not flickering. So usually in some cars, when the camera is on the screens, they do that little flickering thing. This one isn't doing it, which is really nice. So now I can show you the radio and stuff, like finally on this 2024 Hatch Civic Boost Blue. It's all a touchscreen. You can go left and right, in and out, side by side, no pause. You know what I'm saying? You can go in here, change your screen color, your phone stuff, Bluetooth, navigation, all the basic simple stuff. Over here you do have heated seats. Now when the car is off, you may think, damn, there's no heated seats. Where's the heated seat button? Honda puts it right here. So when the car is on, you will see it light up. And then you can go, oh wow, I'm not blind anymore. It does have heated seats. Typical Honda steering wheel, they're never gonna be sporty unless you have the Type R. Then it might look a little decent. Up here, we do have, up here we do have a sunroof. Okay, we do have a sunroof. We likes that. The back seats ain't got much room, so you ain't doing much back there. Pause. The passenger seat isn't all the way down this time, which means nothing crazy went on in this vehicle. We like that. The newer Civics do have the updated vent system here, which honestly, I don't know how I feel about these little thingies. I mean, it's easier rather than the little, where's it at? These things, you know, these are a little bit easier. I will say that. Other than that, I mean, the interior is not, there's not much going on, you feel me? It's a Honda. What do you expect? Over here, your phone can sit in this little spot here and charge. That's pretty cool. People like that. This button here is your drive mode, so when you press that, you got econ, you got, go up normal mode and sport. So you got sport, normal, eco. We'll put in sport. Hello. Get out of the car, dual walk around, and then we're gonna go over the vehicle. Now look at the blue. You can, it's so nice out today. It's December. Gee, we're gonna pull the hood. Gotta make sure we looking good. Oh, look at this beauty. Okay, legend has it, somebody died back there. Legend has it. Legend has it, somebody died back there. We will do that in another video. We will go back there and see if it's true, but I hear someone died back there. So this is the blue Honda Civic. It does look really nice. I ain't gonna lie. This does look really good for the color. The almost all black rims, ocean blue, boost blue, aqua blue, whatever you want to call it, Blue's Clues. Now over here, the spoiler, I like that little race flag decal there. That just, it's something small, but it's nice. On the back, you got Sport Touring, Civic. Now this is the Hatch Civic. Listen, if you're gonna get a Honda Civic and you don't get the hatch, you're selling yourself. Like, stop playing around. Listen, the back seats do go all the way down. That's pretty cool for a hatch. You get more room. When that's down, it just looks so good from the back. You know you know what I want to do. I ain't gonna say it, but you know what I want to do. A little basic diffuser, dually exhaust, looks really sporty. We'll go over here really quick. Some mud flaps in the back. Oh, left side gas lid. It is capless. We'll take care of that. Now over here, we do have the hood. We're gonna pop this thing. Okay. Okay. Not much going on. Easy to work on. My hand can get all the way inside. I like that. Super clean, as it should be. Now, you know what we gotta do. We gotta go for a ride. Let's get back in the car and go for a quick drive really quick. All right, so we are already in sport. So now we put it in drive. We're in drive. Now let's just go for a quick little drive. I do love all of the support we have been getting. The channel is growing so fast. Keep liking the videos. I like how everybody is actually watching the videos. They are commenting in the comment section particular spots in the video that are funny, like, hey, I seen da 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 da, you know, and stuff like that. My job is to keep the videos as entertaining as possible. And I think we're doing a good job at that. So overall, it does drive really good, as it should. It's a 2024 Civic Hatch. So basically, I mean, would this be something that I would own? That I always ask myself this in every video I shoot. Would this be something that I would own? Probably not, only because I'm not a Honda guy. Would this be a vehicle that I would use to drive far distances? For sure, 100%. Going left, going right, it drives really good, and again, as it should. It's got only 18,000 miles. The sticker on this bad boy, I think is around 26, 24. I think maybe low 30s, but somewhere around there. This bad boy is nice. It is beautiful. Overall, it's a nice vehicle. Typically these are great first car choices for, you know, younger people who want to get into cars and not have something break down super early. The interior is really nice. Typically with a Honda, you do want to get a higher trim level. You don't want to be stuck paying 28 grand for a base model LX to where it's all cloth, no sunroof, there's no power seats. You don't want to do that. As we wrap it up, guys, again, comment below, would this be a vehicle that you would make yours? Would you own it? Would you put it in your driveway? What are you guys thinking? Comment below what vehicle you want to see next. As you guys know, I have them all here. I have vehicles everywhere. I have so many cars here, so many cars. Comment below what's next. I will see you guys in the next one. We out.